Hey guys, it's Christy with Christy's Custom Creations. I would like to wish everyone a very happy new year. Goodbye 2020 and hello 2021. Today we are going to be doing a GlitterBae glitter haul. And what this is, GlitterBae is a company that sells some amazing glitters. I placed one order previously with them for some glow powders because I needed some really good quality glow powders. And I discovered that these glow powders that they carry are so much better than any other glow company that carries glow powders that I have found yet so far. So I went ahead a few days ago and placed a pretty decent sized glitter order because I was like, hey, on their website, these glitters look awesome. So I wanted to give them a try and see how I like them in person. So we're going to do a glitter haul today on all the glitters that I got from GlitterBae. I also want to note that GlitterBae has been gracious enough to give us a discount code for all of the YouTubers who have watched this video. So be sure to stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you the discount code for GlitterBae glitters that is exclusive to this YouTube video. So first off, let's start with some of these glitters. This glitter is called It's Showtime. And I guess you could describe this glitter, it's kind of like a chameleon glitter. It's a color shifting, and it actually shifts from like a blue to a pink to a teal. I'm kind of an impatient person, so I went ahead and put this glitter on this wine chiller from Hog. So I'll show you. I haven't epoxied it yet or anything, but I wanted to go ahead and get it on a tumbler because it's just such a pretty glitter. And I don't know if you can tell from the video or not, see the color shift on it, but you kind of have like a pink in the middle, and then it's kind of a teal, and then it goes to a darker blue and it shifts as you turn the cup. So, or in this case, the wine chiller. So it is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to see how pretty it is under epoxy. Look at that shine. Oh, it's pretty. So anyways, back to our glitter haul. So that one is called It's Showtime. The next one that I got is called Glacier. And Glacier is a lighter, you can see it in the lid here, and then also here. It's almost like a lighter blue. It's got some bigger chunks. It's a mix. It's got some chunkies in it. It's got some fine glitters in it, and that's gonna be beautiful. The next one is called Gem, and Gem is a silver that's got some other mixes in it, and it's got a little bit of a holographic look to it. Also, some chunky and some fine glitter mixed into it. So most of these are like that. They've got some chunky and some fine, and they're very like fluffy glitters. So they're going to lay really nicely onto epoxy, just like this did here. And I like to put my glitter on using the epoxy method. So that's how I applied this glitter here, and it laid down super smooth, so it's gonna have no problem under epoxy. This one is called Robo. This is a really pretty black and blue mix. It's kind of hard to see. You can see inside the lid there just how pretty it is. It's got also big chunks and smaller chunks of the different blues and blacks in it. Our next one is one of my favorites. It's called Lipstick, and it is a pretty solid holographic red. Also with big chunks and smaller chunks in it, but it's just beautiful. Look at that sparkle. All right, after that, we have got, it's called Beartooth Magic, and it's a beautiful pink. Also got some holographic shifts in it. You can see in the bottom how pretty it is. You can see it in the top too. So that's going to be stunning on a cup. After that, we have got, this is called Sagittarius. So there's a whole line that GlitterBae carries that it's basically a glow-in-the-dark glitter. And let me get out my UV light here and show you. I'm going to turn this ring light off real quick. Okay, so I switched off the ring light so you can kind of see it. It's hard to see in the video because obviously it's light in this room in here, but look at that glow. So this one goes on kind of like a white, but when it glows in the dark, it's going to glow in the dark if you put it out in the sun, or obviously if you hit it with a UV light to charge it. You see it glow? It's so pretty. So it goes right along with their glow powders that they have. It's super good quality. It's got a really long glow time to it as well. Okay, got the light back on. So next we have got, it's called Paradise, and it's a beautiful light pink, almost like a baby pinkish, but it's a very light, fluffy glitter that is going to be stunning on a cup. The next one's called Passion, and it's almost kind of a lavender color. Very light, fluffy, got larger chunks and smaller chunks in it. This one is called Dream On, and it actually kind of looks like snow. It's a white glitter, but it picks up other colors around it and kind of reflects other colors around it. And then we've got Goblin. Who doesn't like some lime green? It's got a nice sparkle to it, and it's just a pretty lime green glitter. Then we've got Enchanted, which almost has like a mint color to it. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's got a mint, almost maybe like a Tiffany blue-ish color. And then the last one that we have is called Godmother. And it's a beautiful baby blue, like a real light blue, very fluffy. And it's got, you know, larger chunks and smaller chunks in it as well. So these are the glow powders that I spoke about that I had previously ordered. I ordered a pink called Kiss of Glow, a purple called Lilac Attack, and an orange one called Orange Fury. So I just want to show you how awesome these glows are on this. The Orange Fury starts off as a white powder, and you can see it glow. Even with my ring light on, you can see how strong the glow is on it. And it's so bright in this room that I'm in too, and that's just beautiful. So after that, the Lilac Attack. It's got a real pretty, strong purple glow to it. And I used these for a sunset cup that I did. I actually did 11 sunset tumblers, wine glass tumblers for someone, and she wanted them to glow in the dark. So, I wanted the sunset to glow in the dark. So, that's why I wanted such a good glow powder for it. So the glow powders looked awesome on that. And see that pink glow? Oh, it's so pretty. So if you would like to see a tutorial on how I make my sunset tumblers, check out this link and you can see exactly how I make my sunset tumblers. Check out the description box below for a link to GlitterBae's website and for additional links to my favorite products that I like to use when I make my tumblers. Okay, so now for the part that everybody has been waiting for. My YouTube page name is Christy's Custom Creations. So it's only fitting that we make our discount code KCC15. It's short for Christy's Custom Creations in case you couldn't figure that out. But it's KCC15. And that is as a thank you from me and GlitterBae for watching my YouTube video on how awesome and beautiful their glitters are. They have so much more to choose from than just that. GlitterBae also carries a huge variety of silicone molds, and I purchased 2 of them in this haul. I completely forgot to show them in my haul, but this is a Punisher keychain mold with little pigtails on it. It's super cute. And a cat self-defense keychain mold. Be sure to check them out. Like I said, follow the link below in the description box to their website. Use the coupon code to get your 15% off. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel for different tutorials, how-tos, and product reviews. I hope you'll have a very happy new year. Happy 2021. Y'all take care. Bye. Today, I'm going to be doing a glitter haul from GlitterBae. No! And it's actually like a blue and black mix. It's kind of... Oh, I'm gonna have glitter everywhere. Today, we are going to be doing... That sounds so stupid. Okay. So if you would like to see how I make my sunset tumblers, you can check out the link below, or...